Hi, in this video we're going to show you a couple ways that you could copy slides from one PowerPoint presentation into another PowerPoint presentation. So we have these two presentations open here. This one with the Lund masking and this one with the RAID explanations here. So a couple ways you could do it. So let's say we want to add a couple slides from this presentation. So we could maybe, let's say, copy this and this by highlighting it. Right click copy, go over to the other one, and then just choose the location where you want to place it. And you could just paste it, Control V, and I'll add them like that. So that's one way to do it. So let's say you have a bunch of presentations you want to copy slides from and you don't want to open them all up. What you could do, instead of going back and forth to each one, is you could go to the Home tab, and then go to the New Slide drop down here, and then click on Reuse Slides. And that way you could browse to your other presentation here. So this is the RAID one, even though it's open. Now this shows you all of the slides in that presentation, which will match what we have here. So now we could pick the slides we want, pick our location. Let's say we want to use this one, puts it in. And we want to put this one on the bottom of this one, let's say, and now you have it there. Then you could browse to another one. Let's say this one here. Now we could take the slides from here if we want, add it in there, and so on. Then you could just do this as many times as needed. So once again, you could go open each presentation and then go over, select the slides, highlight them, copy them, go over and paste them in. Or the easier way, just go to the New Slide menu here, pick Reuse Slides, browse to your presentation, pick the slides you want to import. Just make sure you have the slides selected where you want to place them underneath, because it's going to put them right below it. And then, of course, obviously, you could rearrange them if you put it in the wrong place. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.